Have you checked your wet bolts lately? Don't know what wet bolts are? Neither did I. So we found out when we were camping, probably maybe third, fourth trip in, our rig was still, our rig's not that old. So, and we noticed when we turn corners and backing up that you kind of hear squeaks and pops a little bit, like, anyway, you hear noise. Well, after researching all of that, come to find out that we needed to look because it was possible we had wet bolts. And wet bolts require greasing periodically. Okay, well, that's simple enough, I guess. So we got under the rig. We looked. Apparently, we were looking for zerks. They call them zerks. And they're like nipples. And they're supposed to be on the bolts. So we did. We looked. We found them. Okay, so we do have a wet bolt system. So we have to grease it. So my husband then did the research. What kind of grease? What, how often? All of that stuff. I think the official is 3,000 to 6,000 miles. Beginning of a season. If you're part-timers like us, we don't really have a season because we kind of stay camping all year long. So my husband's got it on a schedule. He set a reminder in his phone, and we just basically check it at intervals. And how do you check it? Can you tell? And how do you know they're full? And anyway, apparently there's some resistance when you fill them. He could probably tell more about that, honestly. Once we realized what it was, he did the grease gun and the sound went away. So that was amazing. That is just one thing of many things that you have to look at for maintenance of your rig. So we're trying to keep a list of all of these things, and each of the lists should be pretty unique to your own rig because not everybody apparently has a wet bolt system. Some have dry bolt systems, which apparently you've got some bushings that you need to be watching or something. Do the research, please, because you do not want them to fail, and you want to make sure that everything's in order and that you are checking the things you got to check at the right time. So, wet bolts is another thing we have to check. Tire pressure, the normal stuff. Some of it we do every trip. Some of it we time out like this, the wet bolts. They apparently keep your suspension lubricated, if I understand it right. And if I don't, please correct me, because we're all here to learn. There's so much about this that you kind of fall into, maybe is the right word, that you don't really know until you know. We would have never known to look for wet bolts or to understand and know that we got to grease them unless we heard the squeaks from our trailer. So yeah, wet bolts. Never heard of such a thing. Zerks. That's a cool word. Z-E-R-K. Yeah, Zerk. That's kind of a cool word. So have you heard of wet bolts? Are you checking them? If your system doesn't have wet bolts, what do you do? How do you know, even on a wet bolt system, how do you know when your bushings are bad? So I'm going to have to do some research on that. How do you know that your bushings are bad? I'm assuming you still have bushings, right? With wet bolts. Yeah, we could totally do a deep dive on that. For sure. The biggest thing was, hey, we heard this creaky noise. So if you are out on the campground and you hear someone pulling in with their rig and you hear that creaky noise after they set up, because remember the etiquette, don't bug them while they're setting up. After they set up, when you get a chance and you're walking around and you're saying hi to them, you might want to, hey, I heard your rig. You might want to check your wet bolts. We're all in this together. We don't want failures. We pay too much for these rigs. I haven't seen a cheat sheet yet. Maybe, I guess since it's so unique per your rig, you kind of have to make your own cheat sheet. But we're all in this together. So let's help each other out. Don't come across as that guy or that girl. But, hey, I noticed when you pulled in, I heard your rig. Have you checked your wet bolts? Do you have wet bolts? I don't know that if it's a dry bolt system, does it make the same sounds? So that would be interesting to know. For sure. What a term, wet bolts. So I know that this is probably a shorter one today. For a little housekeeping, I want to thank y'all for joining and watching this video. If this is your first video, welcome, and I'm so glad you're here. This is a series to take a moment and talk shop together. And shop doesn't have to be technical. It could be just what this part-time RV life means to you and me. We're all in it together. Not everybody's a full-time RVer. As much as we would love to, we still got the JOB. So this is our time together. If this is not your first episode, thank you for watching again. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that is feedback to me, so I know how we're doing. Silence is not golden here. It's a conversation. I want your feedback. I want us to do this together. Again, be nice, but I do. So thank you for joining, and I appreciate you watching, and you guys have a nice day. Thank you.